guys, what's up? It's me, Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, I'm Melissa and I make Christian content every single week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below to join our little community. And I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys my room. I've been wanting to do a room tour for quite a while now, so I thought, why not? So let's get into it. So starting from my door, this is where I hang all of my jumpers, denim jackets and things like that. And then moving over here, this is probably the biggest wall in my room, and I love this wall. I love how I decorated it, full of my personality. So up here I have some Bible verses. I have this little note that I wrote just about things that I love about myself to encourage me, and then I just have like sticky notes all around my room with different like things I want to remind myself of. I also have my little Bible plan. I have this little star poster that Josh got me, and I have this calendar that my nana got me for the month of June. And then over here is my desk, so this is where I spend the majority of my time. So obviously I have my laptop, I have some speakers, my diffuser, my diary, my little mat, and always I try and light some candles because it's so cozy. And I have my cry cut, which is what I use for my small business, and just pens and things like that. And then I have my Alex drawers here, which I store probably too much crap in, but yeah, that is kind of my desk setup. Moving to the right hand side over here, this area is kind of a mess, so just excuse that. There's literally a TV behind my mirror. Don't ask me why, but it's just been there for literally like 2 years. You can see me as well, hey guys. So I have all of my Minnie Mouse ears hung up right here because I love Disney World so much, and I've been collecting the Minnie Mouse ears for quite a while, and I wanted somewhere to display them, so I just put them on my wall over here. Then down here I have my tripod, I have a cat bed, who knows why, all my wires, which is so messy, just excuse that. And then here is my bookshelf area where I keep all of my books, and I have some like straighteners and curlers down there and my makeup. And then again I just have some decals on the wall here and some little Bible verses that I drew as well. So still in my desk area I have some more Bible verses. I have my microphone that I use to record worship covers and things for church, and then I have this beautiful tapestry. I absolutely love this tapestry. It's from Urban Outfitters. If you haven't noticed like by my room already, I absolutely love the ocean, so this means a lot to me. And I have some fairy lights across here, and then of course here I have some more Bible verses and like song lyrics, and then I have some really cute pictures of me and Josh that I love from over the years. So moving from this little nook area right here, I have this little cupboard which is really interesting, but I just use it to store stock for my small business, clothes that I need to give to charity, and then I have my guitar and my ukulele in there. So on this pillow right here I have some special little note cards and memories that I like to keep, just, you know, train tickets or postcards or things like that that mean a lot to me. And then up here I just have some random decals, and this is obviously my wardrobe where I keep all of my clothes in here. I love this one, it's from IKEA and it's really perfect for keeping a lot of clothes in. And up here I just keep all my bedding, and then there is all my beanies and hats and things like that because I didn't know where else to put them, so I just put them up there. And then moving on to this section of my room, this is where I have my bed obviously, and my nightstand. On this side of my wardrobe again I just have tons of sticky notes, and I have this little thing that my brother Charlie made me. It's very cute, and he put best sister ever. How cute is that? He made that when he was like 4, I think. It's very cute. So yeah, moving on to my nightstand. So I have this picture of me and Josh on here that he got me. It's very cute. I have some little note cards that I love to read, and I have some products that I tend to use quite often. And right here is where I store my jewelry. Recently I've started keeping my Bible on my bedside table because it's just so easy to like grab and reach when I'm in bed or when I'm on my desk or something. So I have my Bible. I have this amazing ring stand that my friend Maddie made me, and she has her own small business, so if you guys want to check it out I will link it down below, but I love keeping my rings on there. And then I have a candle, of course, and then down here I have my bouquet from my best friend's wedding, and just tons of books and random stuff, as you can see. And then over here is my bed, and above my bed I just like to keep all of these really cute pictures. I just love keeping pictures on my wall because I feel like they're just such great memories that I can look up and just see and like remember those moments. So I have tons of pictures with my best friends, my family, with Josh, and I have this amazing tapestry. This is one of my favorite things in my room. It says Romans 8:28 on it, which if you guys didn't know, it's my favorite Bible verse of all time, and I love just having that in the center of my room. Like, it just reminds me of that verse. And yeah, I just love that. I have some fairy lights swinging down, and then obviously I have tons of sticky notes and Bible verses above my bed as well. They're just great reminders and I love to read them. And then I have my pillows. I have some teddy bears right here which are very adorable, and at the moment I just have this like flowery bedspread on. It's like a duck egg blue kind of colour, and I love my bed so much. It's so massive, like it's way too big for me, but it's just so cozy and I love it so much. So moving on to my windowsill, obviously you can see outside, which is really nice. You can see the sunshine. So I just keep some different things here. So I have a picture of me and my mum, my lamp, which I like to use sometimes if I'm reading a book before bed. I have my plant, which is dying. Please don't die, plant. I literally just watered it yesterday, so hopefully it lives. I have this amazing sign that Iona made me. She drew it herself and it just looks absolutely incredible, and it says Romans 8:28 on it, of course. And then I have some little hedgehog teddy bears and this little teddy bear, because if you couldn't tell already, I love teddy bears. And yeah, that is basically my room. So thank you so much for watching my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to know a little bit more about me and what I like. I feel like my room is definitely something that tells you a lot about me. I just wanted to make kind of a different type of video, and when I was 13 years old, I loved watching room tours. Like I would literally watch room tours for hours on end, getting inspiration from my own room, and I just loved watching them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any prayer requests, you can follow me on my Instagram, DM me on there, and I would love to pray with you guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!